Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my April Ipsy unbagging. I already opened the mailer so I can go ahead and show you the bag. The theme this month is Ipsy Full Bloom, and this is what the bag looks like this month. It's this nice kind of lilac-y lavender color, and it's got this cool wooden zipper tag that says Ipsy on it. It's very cool, very unique, not like any of their other bags that they've come out with. So let's go ahead and show you what I received. Alright, so the first thing that I have is the product that I actually picked out, and this is from ORYZA Beauty, and it's their Nude, Shimmer, and Contour eyeshadow palette. It has 4 shades in here. This one right here is matte, and the rest are shimmery. Very pretty shades, very warm toned, and I just thought that it was a really nice little palette. Next up I have from KALEIDO Cosmetics, it's their skin blush in the shade Primadonna. It's just pretty much your typical blush shade, just a nice pink with some shimmer in it, so it's really pretty. And then I also have from SERAPHINE Botanicals their berry and juice, so 100% vegan lip gel, and this is in rose currant. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this or not, so I'm not going to open it, but it's just this really nice like rose kind of mauvey berry shade with a lot of shimmer in it. I've never heard of a lip gel. I've heard of a lip oil, but I'm not quite sure what a lip gel is, so I'm kind of curious. And then I also have in the bag from VERB, it's their Ghost Hair Mask for weightless softening, restoration, and deep conditioning, so I'm excited for that. And then the last product that I have from Ipsy from the actual glam bag is from LUXIE. It's the LUXIE 209 large shader brush. You guys know I love LUXIE brushes. This is from, I believe, their summer collection. It's pink, and then it turns into like this nudie gray color, and then we have the shading brush. So that's everything that I received from Ipsy as far as the products for my glam bag, and then I actually purchased 3 add-ons. So the first one that I purchased was a $3 add-on, and it's from ARACELI Beauty, and it's their Grande blending brush, and it looks like this. Very nice. I love blending brushes. I also have from SHAINA B Miami, I have their blush brush, which was also a $3 add-on. Really nice. And then the last one I have, also $3 add-on, is from KOKIE, and it's their Be Bright Illuminating Concealer in Light. So this is what this looks like. So that is everything that I received. I will have the information for Ipsy linked down below. For the glam bag, it is $12 a month. And then you can purchase add-ons, of course. I will have all these products linked and listed there for you. So if you're interested, you can check them out. And I'll talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
Words, I'll paint an invitation to let you